Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Friends Forever. As many of the viewers are searching for typing jobs online, today in this video I am going to tell you about the best and genuine typing jobs online. No age limit required for this and also no need for any investment. Okay friends, let's get started. The website that we are going to watch today is GoTranscript. This is really a trusted website and the rating for this website is 4.9, which is actually a good score. To get into this website, click on the link in the description box. If you click that link, you will be directed to this page. Here you can see they are giving $0.72 per minute, which means 45 rupees in our Indian currency. So if you even work for 1 hour, you will get 3,240 rupees. So you can earn from this website whenever you are free. In this website, you can work from any country. Coming to the work that we are going to do in this website. Many multinational companies will upload audio and video files in this website. We have to hear that audio and video and have to type in text format and then submit them. That's it. Okay, now let's sign up the page and let's see how to work in this website. To sign up this, you will have sign up option in the top right. Click that button. In this, you can sign in either using Facebook or else email. Here, I am going to use sign in using email ID. First, type your email ID and create a password and then click the sign up button. Once your sign up is complete, this is how your homepage looks like. If you have any queries while working in this website, you can contact the customer support. 24/7 customer support is available in this website. This website provides us 4 types of job opportunities. First is transcription, second is English captions, third foreign subtitles, and the fourth is translation. First, transcription. Here they will give us audio and video files. We have to hear that audio and video and then we have to convert it into the text files. Per minute they are giving $0.72 for this work. Second, English captions. Here we have to write the English subtitles for the given English videos. Per minute they are giving $1.24 for this work. And the next, foreign subtitles. For this we have to write other language subtitles for the given English video. Here $7.50 are giving for this work, which means 560 rupees in our Indian currency. And the fourth is translation. Here we have to convert the given English documents into our known language. Per word they are giving $0.06, which means 5 rupees per word. In this website you can work either part-time or else full-time. No other websites are offering this much for typing jobs. Okay, before starting work in this website, they will conduct a test. Only if you clear this test, you can work in this website. To take up the test, click the link in the description box. So before starting, read the complete guidelines and terms and conditions. If you click the link in the description box, you will be directed to this page. Click the apply now button. Then select the language and then you will get your login page. Enter the email ID and password to login. In this, you will have 2 types of test. The first is general English test and the second is audio test. Coming to general English test, in this you will have basic questions related to transcription. In this general English test, you will have 10 questions. And next is audio test. In this, they will give us a sample audio. We have to hear that audio and have to type as it is. Once you have completed this test, then they will take 4 to 5 days time to review your answers. If you get selected, then you will be contacted via your mail ID. After that, you will get many tasks to work in this website. Actually, this website is really a trusted one. In this pandemic, this is one of the best way to earn money online. And the money that you are going to earn depends upon the time you work. So friends, if you are searching for online jobs in this pandemic situation with no skills and zero investment, then this website GoTranscript will be the best choice. And that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel for more videos. And if you have any queries, do comment in the comment section in the comment box. Okay, bye bye, take care.